Hi lovelies, welcome back to Bloom Boom. Fall's my favorite season. Cozy sweaters, crisp air, and those quiet mornings sipping tea by the window. I used to notice my skin feeling tighter every October, like it was begging for a reset. It's a season that invites us to slow down and nurture ourselves. But our skin doesn't always get the memo. As summer fades and heaters hum, your skin might feel dry, oily, or just off. Today, I'm sharing one simple, thoughtful swap for every skin type to keep your glow thriving all fall. Because small changes now weave a radiant story for your skin later. Why does fall throw our skin out of whack? It's all about the shift. Cooler air saps humidity, leaving skin parched. Breezes and indoor heaters stress your skin's barrier, causing flakes or irritation. Even fall allergies, like pollen from ragweed, can spark redness or sensitivity, especially if you're prone to flare-up. I had a client tell me her cheeks got so red every fall, her friends thought it was makeup. It was just her skin reacting to the season. Those cozy fall habits, like sipping less water or skipping sunscreen, can also dull your glow. Your skin's not failing you, it's just whispering for a little extra love. Let's listen and give it what it needs. Dry skin folks, if your face feels tight, swap your lotion for a rich cream or ointment. Think batana oil or a thick balm. It's like wrapping your skin in a cozy cashmere blanket. Bonus tip, use a creamy cleanser, maybe one with honey, to lock in hydration from the start. Try cleansing at night to give your skin hours to soak it in. Oily skin? Swap to a gentle gel cleanser that cleans without stripping. Look for one with tea tree or aloe. Dry air can trick your skin into overproducing oil, like it's trying to compensate. A hydrating toner helps, but the cleanser swap is your game changer. Pro tip, cleanse twice daily to keep pores clear without stressing your skin. Combination skin needs balance. Your swap, moisturize in zones. Use a gel or lightweight lotion for your T-zone and a richer cream for your cheeks. It's like dressing your face for fall. A light scarf for oily spots, a warm coat for dry ones. And a quick tip, apply your T-zone moisturizer first to avoid overdoing it. Normal skin, you're lucky, but don't skip this. Swap to a light cream with ceramides or squalene. Think of it as a soft sweater for your skin. It keeps dryness at bay before it sneaks up. Try patting it on after a warm shower to seal in moisture while your skin's still damp. Sensitive skin feels everything, right? Swap to a gentle cream moisturizer with soothing ingredients like oat or centella. Think of it as a warm hug for your face. Ease up on exfoliation to let your skin heal. Quick tip, patch test new products on your wrist to avoid fall flare-ups. For aging or textured skin, your swap is adding lipid support. Keep your retinol or peptides, but pair them with rosehip oil or a richer cream. It's like a warm fireside glow for your skin. Apply it at night to soften lines and strengthen your barrier. Tip, massage it in gently to boost circulation. No matter your skin type, your barrier cream is your fall anchor. A small promise to protect your skin and keep your glow steady all season. Start with hydration from the inside. More water, more soothing teas like chamomile or rooibos to help your body replenish what the dry air pulls out. A bedside humidifier is another quiet helper. It puts moisture back into the air while you sleep. When applying your barrier cream, take your time. Use gentle upward strokes along your cheeks, jaw, and neck, almost like you're wrapping your skin in for a cozy shield. Barrier creams with ceramides or squalene are a must this season. They seal in hydration, repair tiny cracks, and keep irritation away. And one more ritual I recommend: remove your makeup or sunscreen a little earlier in the evening. Even an extra hour or two of repair time makes a visible difference in how calm and nourished your skin looks the next morning. These small practices don't just support your skin, they create a rhythm that grounds you in the season's shift. Let's tackle 3 questions I get every fall. 1. Do I need sunscreen in fall? Absolutely. UVA rays age your skin through clouds and windows all year. 2. Do I need a whole new routine? Nope. One smart swap keeps your skin glowing without the hassle. And 3. Can I still layer products in fall? Absolutely, but keep it simple. Cleanse, treat, moisturize, and sunscreen. In cooler weather, layer a hydrating serum under your cream for extra love. These small tweaks make a huge difference. That's your fall skincare reset. Simple swaps to keep your glow strong. Want my curated product picks for your skin type? Head to www.bloomboom.net for the Fall Reset Shop. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment. What's your fall swap going to be? Next time, we'll talk winter prep to keep your skin radiant all year. Thanks for joining me in this cozy fall moment. Subscribe to Glow with our Bloom Boom community, and let's make your skin story a beautiful one.